In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with Claude. To start, make sure you're signed into Notion on the workspace where you want the connection. This matters because connections are tied to a specific workspace, not your entire account. If you use multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace name in the sidebar to confirm you're in the right place. Now, look for your profile or workspace icon inside Notion. It's usually near the bottom of the left sidebar or at the top of the app, depending on your layout. Click that icon to open the workspace menu, then choose Settings. This opens the central panel where you manage account preferences and workspace level tools. Inside Settings, find and select the Connections section. Connections is where Notion lists third-party apps and integrations that can work alongside your pages and databases. It's a good spot to review what you've already connected and to discover new options. Next, click Explore. This takes you to the catalog of available connections. Think of it as Notion's integration library. If you don't see what you need right away, you can scroll through the categories or use the search bar to jump straight to it. Search for Claude and select it. Claude is an AI assistant that can help you draft, summarize, and streamline your work inside Notion. Choosing it here simply opens the connections details so you can begin the linking process. Click Connect. At this point, Notion may briefly outline what the connection can access. Read the description so you understand how the integration will interact with your workspace. When you're comfortable, continue. The flow will redirect you so you can authenticate with the Claude service. You'll now be prompted to sign into Claude. Enter your email address and follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. If you're already signed in, you may skip directly to the confirmation. When the sign-in completes, you'll be returned to Notion and the connection will be established. That's the setup. From here, you should see Claude listed in your Notion connections. If something looks off, a quick refresh of Notion usually updates the status. Keep in mind that the connection works within the permissions of your workspace, so it will only interact where access is allowed. With the link in place, you can take advantage of Claude's assistance to work faster and more clearly inside Notion, all without juggling separate tools.